Hi, my name is Steve Wuschke. I'm a senior service engineer with Modine Manufacturing. Today we will cover the fittings used to connect a Modine geothermal heat pump. When connecting a hose kit to a Modine geothermal heat pump, it's very important to use the brass rings and rubber gaskets that come standard with every unit. The brass ring goes on first. Make sure it's flush with the snap ring. The rubber gasket then goes on. It's what creates the seal. No pipe dope or Teflon tape is required. Once the rubber gasket's on, you can then put your fitting on and hand tighten. No tools are required. For more information, you can go to www.modinehvac.com.